Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Looking for Logitech MX vertical mouse software? You're in the right place. I'll show you a step-by-step process to download and install MX vertical mouse software in this video. So, let's get started. First, go to the video's description and click on the link tagged with Logitech MX vertical mouse software download. And here you go. We landed on the Logitech MX vertical software instant download page. Now, scroll down the page and find the Download Logitech MX Vertical Mouse Software section. Now, once you're at the Download section, you'll see two main sections, one for Windows users and another for Mac OS users. Under the Windows section, there are three red buttons, one for Windows 10 and Windows 11, one for Windows 8, and one for Windows 7. Just click the button that matches your Windows version, and your download will start instantly. Now, if you're using a Mac, scroll down a bit. You'll notice two boxes under the Mac OS section. In the first box, if your Mac is running, Mac OS 12, Mac OS 13, Mac OS 14, or Mac OS 15. Then, go ahead and click the Download Software button inside that box. In the second box, if your Mac is running, Mac OS 10.15, Mac OS 11, Mac OS 11.1, or Mac OS 11.2. Then click the Download Software button in that section. Just make sure you're selecting the right version for your operating system to ensure everything works smoothly. Before we proceed with the download, a common concern is the authenticity of the files. To address this, simply hover your mouse over the download button. This will reveal the source of the file, typically displayed at the bottom of your browser window. Rest assured, these files are downloaded directly from Logitech's official provided links, ensuring their full legitimacy and security. Now, click on the label for the mouse whose software you want to download. Since I have Windows 11, I'll click on the first button labeled with Windows 10 and Windows 11, and it will start downloading the software. After the software has finished downloading, locate the file and follow the on-screen instructions to install it on your PC. After following all the instructions, congratulations, you have successfully installed the software on your PC. Thank you for watching the video, and I will see you next time.